Hello guys, Sanetic here, and well, I got something for you today. This is a very heavy piece of stuff. Okay, so as you can see here, this is UPS Nikki. The purpose of this is to protect my big kahuna from Kanahuna. So my miner, let's say, still plotting by the way. Yeah, but have many drives, so it's still it's fast as hell, but still need time. So once again, this I just received it. Has different specifications here. They say whatever or for what to use. I am using for this because I will explain one moment. I hope you can see this. I'll just go here. So I have this one that monitors. Okay, come on, focus baby, focus. It shows 129, 131, so it should not say something exactly like this. By the way, this is my antenna. Yeah, wireless. So what happened? In this place we have power fluctuations. So because of this, it can disturb my mining operation. So the best way is to use a piece of equipment, something like this, that can protect your equipment or a small miner against you know, heavy variations of electricity. So this place, more or less, it's safe, but you know, these fluctuations for a piece of equipment that has some value, you know, I don't want to lose it. So that's why I invested a little bit into this, just to protect this. Now what I received, it's pretty big. No, these are the specs, as you can see here. 1500 or 1500, yeah. Tam hertz, 24 minutes, more or less. It's this guy. So let's see if I can take it out. For the moment, I don't think I can. One moment. I don't think I can install it. Let's see, because my I'm still plotting. Let's see what is my okay, how I did. Very close now. So it says I am 87. It's going very well. Okay. Yeah, so I have to wait. I cannot install it yet, but that doesn't mean we cannot take a quick look into this one. If I manage to take this one with my hand, because without, I don't want to break something. Yeah, baby. Open sesame. Now I got some paper, no need for that. Okay. So this cable for the source looks like for a computer, more or less. Also this, put there. Instructions and some more cables. Okay. Oh, now this guy. Oh Jesus! I have to pull this. Oh, what fuck? It's heavy. Okay. Un momento, por favor. Man, this guy weighs a ton. I mean, it's very heavy. So, equipment is recurrent. Pretty easy buttons, I think. I hope I don't break it. Opa. Okay. Okay, let's see the back. Oh, looks nice. Okay, connector here. This is not a button. Okay. Power here. Connecting here. Yeah, like connecting people. So, here's the start button. Ah man, it's very heavy, Jesus. So, the design is very nice. Pretty straightforward. I mean, we got power. If it's functioning, okay. Have to read the paper. Yeah, so with this piece of equipment, I'm gonna save my. Gonna plug in, connect the computer to this one. It's looking like I have two computers, but this is the best way to make sure that my computer will not have a problem in the future if something happens. It's protected by this. Yeah, baby. Okay, I can easily connect the monitor and then the computer or the miner, but I want to also connect these ones. So how I do that? You will need an adapter like this. So once again, I'm from Romania, so it will be pretty difficult. I found this in the store pretty hard because I did not know at first what I was looking. I'm not an electrician, and frankly, I was just lucky. I just went in a hardware store, and the price for Romania, I mean in my country, I will show you one moment, is this one. 10 RON. 10 RON, well, it's roughly $2, maybe $2.1, something like that. That's the price for this. It's very simple. It's one way, it's like this, so I can connect it here. Yeah, and the other way, the other end, it's a normal, this, you know, because I'm from Europe, so this is what I need for my country. This is what I'm using for all connectors that you see here. So now I cannot use because I'm still plotting. I will end up plotting, and then I will shut down my computer. Then I'll connect this and also my hard drives because I want them to be safe. You know, this for each miner should be something like this. You know, of course, if you start to think, it's more expensive, but to be honest, what do you want? You want to mine, and in the same time you want some, you know, like a little bit of security. You want your miner to last, and you cannot expect, for example, in my place there are some storms, and we have this electrical current is not, it's all the time fluctuating. So we have some days that is pretty bad, you know. So that's why I need this, and I just want to be very sure that what I'm doing, it will not be, for example, because I invested something pretty important into this. If you now take into account that now all graphic cards are, even the ones that are not so good, are still expensive as hell. So there is quite some investment here. So I want to protect it against high surges or very low, something like that, power fluctuation. And also low power fluctuations affect your miner. So that was it for this update. Stand by for the next one.